Hello document creators. In today's video, we will explore how to search for specific words or phrases within your Google Docs. Whether you're editing, proofreading, or just need to locate a particular term, this tutorial will make your life easier. Let's dive in. 1. Access the search feature, press Ctrl F, Windows/Linux, or Command F, Mac, on your keyboard. A search box will appear in the upper right corner of your document. 2. Type the word you're looking for, enter the word or phrase you want to find. Google Docs will highlight all instances of that word within your document. 3. Navigate through the results. Use the next or previous buttons in the search box to jump between occurrences of the word. This saves you from manually scrolling through the entire document. And there you have it. You're now a Google Docs search pro. Happy writing!